Hello everyone. Welcome back to LearnNow, your learning partner. Today we are going to learn basics of SQL, so let's get started. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language which provides access like data insert, data update, data delete. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create database and table. Let's jump to SQL and start learning. Let's create a database and name it as CRM. In order to create a database, click on New Query from the toolbar or simply press Ctrl+N. Now type Create Database, name. This is the command used to create the database in SQL. In our video, the name of our database is CRM, hence the command will be Create Database CRM. Now, we can see the command has been completed successfully under the messages. Let's refresh the Object Explorer and we can see that our database has been created. As you can see, there are no tables in our database, so let's learn how to create a table. In order to create a table, right-click on the table option under the database and select New and then click on the table. Now you can see that we can enter the names for the column and their data types. Let's name them. For first column, employee ID as column name and int as data type. For second column, employee name as column name and varchar 50 as data type. In order to save the table, press Ctrl+S and let's name it as TBL employee and click on OK button to save it. Now table is created, as you can see. That's all for today. I hope you have learned basics of SQL, database creation and table creation today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in next video. Do subscribe to keep learning from LearnNow.